But there's another one. We've got Hinge, and Hinge is saying that this is the most compatible. Natalie and Gus, we think you two should meet. Now, why is that? She's a 38-year-old woman who sometimes drinks and doesn't smoke, health practitioner, and it can be useful to extort her for remedying any male health ailments. She's never had a worst idea. She goes to the library and likes sleeping in on a Sunday, and she's the captain of the Titanic. Brilliant. Nothing to go off. So, you should learn. Yes, we can ignite relationships. Either terrible puns or my own Star Wars tattoos. The whole package is pretty dorky. Goodness. That was a lot of disinteresting information to read, quite frankly. Something about something else. Me in the world. This is genuinely the only normal gun you'll get Dying Light 2. And while you can use it for a little while in a weird combat typing is a bit different when you have the phone spread out like a fucking book. Oh, mama, you look like you're 38 and you're 36. Not very tall. Why you gotta be showing us this one in here? Why? Why? It does not make you look good. You can be modest and look good. Your dogs don't matter to us. What's happening here? What is this message? Karina. Gosh, no. That's how you responded. I'm not even going to show the crowd what we were talking about. Because I would have asked the question, I know for sure, and that would have been the answer. Not good enough. Not worth my time to even go in and try and further pursue some kinds of answers. Want children? Well, that's always a good start for me, and 6'2" so far is very applicable. Cut onions for dinner, no problem. Oh no, this is a problem here. That was a problem. Delete it. And then I'll consider dating you once. Yes. I'm not going to give her anything that's out of her league like marriage. Send me pictures of your dad so I'll know how you age. I wonder if she would like that pic. Very good pic. Very nice eyes. Very blonde hair, gold. Eastern European, surely the dog is sad. And she's high. She's breathing in good air. Though this hippie has done... Who's fucking shooting out there? Has done something to her blonde hair and she just can't get enough of this dog. Does the dog ever get a wash or a walk? It looks like he needs some therapy. I guess just for this photo, I will say it's alright, but not really go further into it. 5'9" and a bunch of other shit and a bunch of other angles, and you enjoy the water too, and I don't know what the fuck you're trying to show here. Yes, let's manipulate those angles overhead. They hide blemishes, did you know? Tequila shots, filter out the weak. What filter? The bathtub filter? You need to fix one of those too. AM coffee, PM wine. And olive oil for bed. With magnesium, but she doesn't even know what olive oil is, so there's no point. How long do you think you would last in the Hunger Games? Win. Very serious. She means business, and this is her post-business, post-action, relaction. No caption. Can't even. Oh, you can like it. Look at that. Post-act. Fuck, I spell so slow. Post-action relaction. Makes sense. I'm all out of ammo again. I saw I had something. I had a rose, a red rose. Okay, but we need to have a compatible, really compatible. What was this? Oh, me. I can't type even because I want this one to be the pick of the day. There you go. And you send this with a rose, you will know that you will succeed. Allah. Here we are. Very good. Looking good. Hinged up. No boosts, no roses. 2 gay guys kissing and asking me to pay $28.33 to get a membership. Fuck off. See you next time.